Welcome to the policypass video training module on the Equipment Hazard Prevention Policy. This policy ensures all equipment and furniture are safe, age-appropriate, and well-maintained to prevent accidents and injuries in early childhood settings. The aim of this policy is to identify and minimise equipment hazards through regular checks and risk management. Use only equipment that meets Australian safety standards and is suitable for children's ages and abilities. Maintain a clean, hygienic and safe environment for all users. And support safe, supervised play and learning at all times. Implementation includes conducting daily and weekly inspections of all equipment, both indoors and outdoors. Keeping records of inspections, maintenance and repairs. Ensuring damaged or unsafe items are removed or repaired promptly. And providing clear instructions and supervision for safe equipment use. Management responsibilities include leading risk assessments and ensuring compliance with safety standards and regulations. Allocating resources for inspections, repairs and staff training. Reviewing and updating policies and procedures regularly. And communicating safety expectations to all staff and families. Educators and staff are responsible for supervising children closely during equipment use and play. Checking equipment for stability, cleanliness and wear before use. Reporting hazards or maintenance needs immediately, and modelling and teaching safe equipment practices to children. Families are responsible for following service guidelines for equipment use and safety, reporting any concerns or observed hazards to staff, supporting safe play and equipment care at home, and keeping children's needs and abilities up to date with the service. By working together, we create a safe, engaging and hazard-free environment for every child. Thank you for watching this training module on the Equipment Hazard Prevention Policy. Let's continue to prioritise safety, supervision and proactive maintenance for all equipment and furniture.